Hi, Inger here, and let's look at more of the elements that we can use in the Other Builder. So let's go to PCF Control Center, Sales Pages, Manage Sales Pages. Find the page we were working on and click Edit. Now, what if you have a store or an office address, a pickup address for products? It would be great to have a Google map telling people how to get hold of your products or visit your office. So let's start by scrolling down to the bottom and clicking Add Widget, and let's start by dividing a 2/3 and 1/3 column. Now in the first 2/3 of the column we click Add Widget and search for Google, and there's the Google map. Click that and put in an address, and since I'm in Norway I'll put Norway in here. I put my full address, put in a height of 300 pixels. We can choose to have map, satellite, or map and terrain. Choose map, and you can have a show address bubble. When you're done, click the check mark. Now let's put in some rich text. About me. Here's rich text. Click, and we write about me and some text, and let's put header 2 and click check mark. We can also add a button. Label on the button, contact me, small or medium button. We can put in some color, what you want the background color or the text color to be, alignment, and the URL. Put in the contact page here, the URL for the contact page. And when you're done, just click the check mark. Now let's see what it looks like. We click update, and let's scroll down to see. There's the map with the address and about me and contact. Now let's add a divider. Add widget, divider, and check mark. Now let's look at some image sliders. Add widget, and let's look for a slider. There's a Nevo slider and a roundabout slider. So let's start with the Nevo slider. I recommend that you already have set your images to 940 by 300 pixels for the Nevo slider. It looks better. So I'll put 940 at the image width. Transition can be random or slice down, slice left, slide in right, slide in left. Let's just put it random for now. Animation speed 1 second and pause time 4 seconds. You can choose what you like best. Now let's insert images, and let's pick up 1, hold control down, 2 and 3, and insert images. Now there's the images, and when you're done, just click the check mark. Let's add a roundabout slider at the same time so you can see what that looks like. Add widget, slider, and the roundabout. Click on that. Image width, let's put that at 350 pixels. You can choose the width that you like. Now add some images for the roundabout slider, and let's pick up 1, 2, 3, and 4 and insert images. When you're done, click the check mark. Now let's update the page and see what it looks like. And there's the Nevo slider and the roundabout. Also notice that up here at the top where we have our image gallery, if you click on the images, they pop out so you can click and look at them one by one. Now let's have some more fun. Now let's add a video. So let's scroll down to add a widget, and let's find video, and let's pull up the URL for the video and just paste that in here. Alignment center, and now we'll have it wide, the width of 840, and put the height to 480, and let's see what that looks like. Now update the page and click the preview, and let's see what it looks like. Scroll down to the bottom, and there's our video, a widescreen video. Now let's see what more we can do on our page. How about message boxes? There are 6 different message boxes in the Other Builder. So what we'll do first is we'll create some columns. And let's see here at the top we have 3 columns, 2 message boxes in each column. So there I've created 3 columns. And in the first column I click Add Widget, and up in the search I write message. There's the message boxes. Click that. Now the message boxes have, like I said, 6 different types. It's info, warning, error, download, important, important, alt. So let's start with info, and let's pull up some content and paste that in the message box. And when we're done, we click the check mark. Now for the second message box, and up in the search, and there's the message, and the next one in line would be a warning. Now we put some content in the message box. So the second column, message, Now the third one was error, and we put some text in the message box, and we go for the next one. The next in line would be a download, and then we have the two last ones, important. Click the drop down and important, and the last one. In with text, and now we're done. Now we update the page to see what our message boxes look like. And then we scroll down, and there they are. There are quite a few things you can do inside your builder. So have some fun. Go inside, look at the columns. Here's 2, 3, 4 columns. Here's content, dividers. You can put in a simple image widget, plain text, HTML, block quote, lists. Take a look around, have some fun, try out the different things in here. And if you put something in that you don't like, then it's easy to get rid of it. You just go over to the far right hand side. You don't click on the sun. The sun is for editing. You click on the next one. Up pops question, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Okay. So have fun and create some super duper pages.